I could tow a big boat, and if I had to come to a sudden stop, it will stop very well. And I don't care how long of a stop it was, they never warped. Out of the probably 100 of these I've put on, I've never ever changed a warped one. I have changed them when they get worn out, but I've never had one warp, which is that's a plus, because I don't like working on cars to begin with, let alone twice. Let me grab that tire. Slip or what? Jack must have came down a little bit. That's what I get for buying a Harbor Freight jack. I've had that thing about 10 years. Never had a problem with it, but it does slip every now and then. Not the best jack in the whole world, but for about, I think I paid $70 for it or so. Sure wouldn't trust my life with it, but it's cool looking and it was cheap. Alright, so I gotta do snug these up. If you're wondering why I got a glove on this hand, not this hand, looks like my better half just got home just in time. I ripped this thumbnail right off the thumb bed. You can see it. You can see right underneath the nail. That was about 4 weeks ago, and it still hurts. So all I gotta do is tighten this up, and I'll do a video on the back ones here in a little while. Thanks for watching.